Right, so it's day one of our trip. We spent last night in Shanghai. We had a delicious Shanghai dinner with Xiaolong Bao dumplings. We went and checked out the new Yangwang U8 vehicle, which was incredible. I think I'm actually going to go back and do a video on that tonight. At the moment, we are on our way to the tent factory. They picked us up in this beautiful marble floored van. And right now, I discovered that there's actually a massage function. So we are half an hour from the factory, having a lovely back massage in this premium white finished van, and we look forward to meeting with the tent factory, talking about some new designs, some new features that we're going to be implementing on the new AlphaGo S6 range of trailers. And when we get to the factory, we'll give you guys a little tour. All right, so typical Chinese boardroom in a factory. Once you've started your factory inspection and you've had a look at your products and seen all the different samples they make, you're going to come through to an office like this. There'll be a presentation screen, a boardroom. We're quite lucky, we've got some chopped up fresh fruits, some oranges, some papaya, and this is where all of your main negotiations are going to take place. Generally, the boss or the CEO's office will be opposite or adjacent to the boardroom. Sometimes the boardroom can also serve as a sample room for smaller products. Because we're in a tent factory, the sample room is actually outside, and we'll give you guys a little bit of a tour of that as well. Customary with any factory visit, after you've sat down, had your meetings, looked through your sample room, it's always an honor to go for lunch with the factory boss or manager, which is what we're going to do now. So we're going to go find a cool restaurant, have a bit of lunch, maybe a cold beer, and then come back through to the office and continue discussing orders, quality control, things like that. It's 10 past 11 in the morning. We had an early night. Probably my assistant overslept. We're a little bit late on the road. Got to the airport in time, had a good coffee, had a good nap on the plane, and we are now ready to do our big inspection at the Capital Trailer Factory in Foshan City. So we have a vehicle waiting for us outside. We're going to get our luggage, hop in the car, and take a drive to the factory and be positive that all these years and months of hard work are going to pay off, and we're going to see a pretty incredible product when we get there. Right, so we're in Foshan City, which is just outside of Guangzhou. Flew in this morning. We finally arrived at the trailer manufacturing company, and if you look to your side over here, you can see some of the motorhomes, RVs that they do, off-road camping caravans. And just to give you a bit of a layout of a typical Chinese factory as well, you're going to have your production buildings behind us, and if you go over this way, you're going to see the living quarters. So it's quite normal. A lot of the workers come from outside villages, so they need accommodation, they need food. So what you'll actually have is living accommodation on the factory premises. There's basketball courts over there, there's a football field, and then you'll have your mess hall and eating area inside the main office as well. So we'll take you inside a little bit later once we've done some checking and show you around inside the factory. It's 7:30 p.m. We've been here since about 1 o'clock. There is a lot going on. This factory is just unbelievably, incredibly huge. It's probably the biggest factory I've been to in China. Right now we're busy solving a solution to add more storage under the benches, hide all of the plumbing. We're coming up with ideas for hidden LED floor lighting. We've got ideas for a fold-out table that's going to be on L brackets that come up and make a third double bed. It's just incredible to be able to be in China and be so innovative and have people support you every step of the way. We've got about 6 engineers here at the moment helping us, and we're just coming up with more and more ideas on how to improve the product. I'll give you a little bit of a walk around of where we are at the moment. So this would be your side-out kitchen. This is going to be all of your pantry drawers, your slide-out fridge drawer. On this side we have the front of the trailer. We walk around this way and give you a really good idea of what we're working with back there. So yeah, really productive day. Tomorrow we'll do all of our gas testing, electrical testing, plumbing, smoke testing, water testing. It's really exciting just to be part of the project and have so many people on board that are passionate about it. All right, 10:30 a.m. on Friday morning. So we've had a couple of hours of sleep. We're back at the factory. All of the testing we need to start taking place today. Our tents arrived. Basically started laying out the tent. And again, we're just going over and over and over the trailer, looking for ways that we can improve and innovate the product. We're trying to think of ideas to add actuators to the roof so that the roof can automatically open and close by itself. We're trying to figure out ways to do LED floor lighting. It's just a constant stream of problem solving. And really that's what business is the essence of business is people are looking for you to solve problems that they have. And on a product like this that's so complicated, there are a lot of, I wouldn't say problems, but a lot of things that can be improved. So our job for today is to make sure that we can keep going through the trailer, make as many positive changes that are going to eradicate steps for setting up and setting down the camper, which is ultimately what we want, is to simplify people's lives and to be able to get to a campsite, push a few buttons and be camping within 5 or 10 minutes. So we'll keep you updated on the progress today, but this is where we are at the moment, and I'm pretty sure that it will be another successful and innovative day.